Hey everyone, it's George, third year student at the UEA, and today I'm going to be talking a little bit about settling in at university. One of the questions that we always get is how we make new friends at university, and there's so many things. So, clubs, societies, your course, flatmates, there's so many opportunities available at university. You're going to try loads of stuff, and it's really easy to meet new people. At UEA, for example, there's over 15,000 students. There's so many people, you're going to find new people everywhere, you're going to make some great friends. If you just join the club societies, give it a go. You might as well. You'd never have as good an opportunity to do stuff. And like your course as well, so many people end up not going to lectures, and because of it, their social life really suffers. They may not meet as many great people that they would have otherwise if they didn't just engage. So I think my top tip for settling in is just to engage, try new stuff, keep yourself busy, and really have an open mind. Some people at first you might be a bit like, but reality, they could be your best friend in the future.